So today we are looking at items from the store Five Below. I ordered some stuff from them maybe about a year ago or so, but I've never actually been inside the store. So today we're looking at some of their items: jumbo chalk, bubble blowers, a lot of the things that they have for kids in this section. They have tons of stuff in the store. We're going to look at some stuff for phones, for headphones, for your ear pods, like right here. I picked up some of those. We'll discuss later on in the video. Headphones, wireless headphones, phone cases, things for doing your videos, like little lights and tripod holders for your videos. Puzzles, games, balls, shoes, clothes, workout material, candy, dog toys, and other accessories. I mean, wow, even makeup, even bath stuff. They really have a ton of stuff. So we're going to go through the store, and I'm going to let you guys see all the things that I've seen on my adventure there today. And I really hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy all these great finds at Five Below. And I don't know about you, but I definitely know where I'm going to do my Christmas shopping at this year. Please drop a like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below, and that really helps my channel to grow. And I really would appreciate it if you watched all the way to the end, and enjoy. Items I picked up in store. Starting off would be this aromatherapy 5-piece essential oils kit. Thought that was a great deal. Picked up the vitamin C tablets, 100. Thought that was a good deal. This shirt I thought was so cute. It says never too old for fairy tales. I thought their selection of teas were really good and really vast. I thought they had some great deals there. Continuing on, I also picked up this cover for my Apple Watch. I just didn't want to get it scratched because I'm always using my hands in something. Also picked up this lymphatic drainage tool to promote blood circulation and drain toxins. Thought this was a really cool item. A lot of bang for your buck. And it shows you how to use the item and how often and where at. Also found this cover for 12 Pro Max for my iPhone. They had tons of iPhone 14 covers and cases. I did finally find the 12 Pro Max, and I think it is really cute as well. I found some true wireless earbuds. I think these are so cute. They're like pink. I found this hot pink over the head and ear headphones. I think they're really cute. They have a built-in microphone. And I've already started charging these and using these a little bit, the Prime Audio. I really like those. I like the hands-free mechanism. I picked up the bath salts. I've already put these up in my master bath. And I think they smell absolutely wonderful. So I think that is a great buy as well. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. And I hope you enjoyed the content.